Whether you're replacing a cooker or upgrading to a shiny new range cooker, you'll need to make sure it has the right number of burners or zones for you. A burner is fueled by gas, giving you a real fire and more accurate control of the heat. Perfect for budding chefs. Meanwhile, zones are typically ceramic or induction and are heated electronically. They have plenty of nifty features, such as the ability to combine for a larger cooking space. A typical cooker will have 4 burners or zones, so you'll be able to stir the veggies, simmer the sauce and sauté the beef at the same time. But if you need more room, range cookers can have up to 7 spaces on the hob or 1 induction zone, which covers the entire surface. The more zones and burners you have, the more dishes you can cook at once. Perfect for meal prep or if there's any fussy eaters in the house.